When I was preparing for my first TEDx talk, I got brilliant advice to prepare well. And I thought, well, prepare well, yeah, that's pretty obvious. But it didn't take away the fear and the anxiety and the thoughts of me standing there on a stage on that red dot and having this microphone attached on me, and then all of these eyes looking at me and thinking, what if I make a mistake? What if my mind goes blank? What if I forget stuff? What if I don't look smart enough? These are really common fearful thoughts and fears of public speaking. They can really paralyze you, and for a lot of people it stops them completely from speaking in public at all. It can also stop you from great opportunities that come from that. I am very happy to share with you in this video the 5 secrets that have helped me in both of my TEDx talks and that have helped so many speakers I'm working with. And it really only takes 2 minutes to learn. The first one is to focus on your message. People don't care about you. People come to listen to your presentation, to your speech. People care about the message that you're giving. That is when you focus on. And for me, that was one of the biggest things that really relieved a lot of anxiety, because it's like, wait, it's not about me. It's not about how I look or how I dress or how, my hair is. It's about what am I here to say? It's not about you. It's about what you bring and what you want people to remember when they leave your speech. You've heard me talk about WIIFT. What's in it for them? What are you bringing for them? What is the value that you're bringing them? So shift that attention away from you. It's not about you. The next one is forget, move on. If you forget a line, if you forget even a paragraph, it's okay. Move on. Some speakers, they forget a line, they forget a word, and they completely blank. And they want to go back and remember what was that sentence again. Look, you are the only one who knows your entire script. You are the only one who knows exactly what you're planning to say. But in your entire script, if you miss out one line, one sentence, even a bit of a paragraph, people will still understand it. People will not notice that you miss one sentence or one line. So don't freeze. It's okay. Just move on. I had that with my second TEDx talk. I was like, oh, suddenly I remember there was this one thing I wanted to say. And I'm like, no, because I learned, okay, just move on. Because nobody notices. Nobody knows. Nobody knows my script. I'm the only one who knows that. So if you forget something, don't freeze, don't panic, move on. However, if you forget to hit the like button and the subscribe, that is an issue. Please do. The third thing is walk and talk, drive and talk, shower and talk, cook and talk. What do I mean? Practice, practice, practice. Every great speaker practices a ton of time. Repetition, repetition, repetition until you're tired of your speech, until you're exhausted, until you can't do no more. But that will remove so much fear, because what is the biggest fear? The biggest fear is, what if I go blank? What if I forget my line? What if I forget a sentence? But if you make it an automation and you know your speech by heart, every single time you repeat, you repeat, you repeat, you record yourself. I'm making a video about how to memorize your speech. And one of the ways to remember your speech is to record yourself. And then you walk and you listen to your talk. I walk around, I walk the dog. I'm actually dog sitting because I'm always traveling the world and dog sitting and house sitting. I was just walking the dog and I was rehearsing the script for this video. I just repeat, when I was doing my TEDx talks too, it's like I was driving, I was biking, I was listening, I was doing my talk. I was even at the gym practicing at the table that was drinking coffee there after their gym and their workout. Just practice, practice, practice all of the time. The next thing is to play a mind movie. This is something that is practiced by top athletes, top performers, successful people, you name it, and they do this. They visualize themselves before their performance, before they want to break a record, before their sprint, before they get on stage. The best time to do this is before you fall asleep, because then your brain is in this theta brainwave state. It's kind of a meditative state just before you fall asleep, and then your subconscious, picks it up better. What you do specifically is that You play one scenario, one movie scene, not an entire thing, but just see yourself standing on a stage or standing behind a microphone or doing your presentation, and just see yourself and feel confident and feel happy and feel fulfilled, not scared. Feel how you want it to be. You want it to flow well. You want to see people smile back at you. You want to see people nod. That's how I visualize my talks. Like, I saw these eyes like smile, and I felt this ease, and I just talked and it was easy. And then I saw myself after the speech like, ooh, you know, getting the feedback and the applause, and people, oh, Rachel, it was really nice, and it was really interesting, and it sounded so natural. And I thought, and that's the movie scenario that I played in my mind before the speech. And guess what? You are creating the reality in advance in your mind. The last thing is to remember what a great opportunity this is. Stop focusing on the fear, but remember, like, wow, you are receiving an opportunity to speak in public. You are receiving the opportunity to help people. There are people in the audience that need to hear what you have to say. You are creating opportunities for your business. You are creating opportunities of meeting new people, connecting with new people, spreading your message. There are so many opportunities because you are speaking in public, and we often forget. It's like, oh, I need to memorize my speech, and it's frightening, and how do I look, and all of this. It's not about that. You are a speaker. Be that speaker. Be grateful. Be aware of what an amazing opportunity you are receiving. Both of my TEDx talks have helped me get amazing opportunities, and even other speeches after that, and helping me make more money and escaping my 9-to-5 corporate job, which I never liked in the first place. So if you want to have ideas and know the stages I've been through to actually escape my job, to make more money online and have multiple income streams, I'm explaining this in this video, and I will see you there.